Hello everyone. Today we can conduct a soft skills activity focused on communication, active listening, and emotional intelligence. The duration of the activity is 15-20 minutes and the group size required is minimum 6 and maximum 20 participants. By the end of the activity, participants will understand why active listening is important, how assumptions create communication gaps, how tone and body language affect communication, how to respond rather than react. Step 1. Divide participants. Divide participants into groups of 3 people. Each group will have person A, speaker, person B, listener, person C, observer. Step 2. Give the situation. Give person A this situation. You have been working on an important project. Your manager suddenly tells you that the deadline has been moved forward by 1 week. You already have several tasks pending. Person A has to explain the situation to person B. Step 3. The first round. Person B has one rule. Listen, but do not ask questions. Person A gets 2 minutes to explain the situation. Person C observes. Did person B maintain eye contact? Did they interrupt? Did they look distracted? Did they show interest? Did they use appropriate body language? Step 4. The second round. Now repeat the same conversation. This time, person B must ask questions which are given below. You can also see the example. Ask the participants question 1. Which conversation felt better? Why? Question 2. How did you feel when the listener did not ask questions? Question 3. What difference did paraphrasing make? Question 4. Did the listener need to agree with the speaker to show empathy? Question 5. What happens at work when we make assumptions instead of asking questions? Tell participants listening is not simply hearing words. Listening means understanding the message, the emotion, and the intention behind the words. Introduce the 3A model of active listening. Attend, give the speaker your attention. Analyze, understand what the person is actually saying. Acknowledge, show the speaker that you understood them. Bonus challenge, the miscommunication game. Give one participant a simple instruction such as draw a square. Inside the square, draw a circle. Put a triangle on the right side of the circle and draw 3 small dots below it. The participant cannot show the original image. Another participant has to draw based only on verbal instructions. Compare the original drawing with the final drawing. Ask, why did the drawings become different even though the same instructions were given? This opens a discussion about assumptions, clarity, questioning, active listening, communication barriers. Good communication is not about speaking more. It is about making sure the other person understands what you mean and understanding what they mean. Thank you for watching and participating in this session. If you found this activity useful, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Your feedback motivates me to create more practical content on soft skills, communication, and personal development. Keep learning, keep growing.